how much should you actually spend on retro kitchen appliances? It's a bit tricky because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. Today, let's dig into the top picks that truly deliver style and function.
Product number 1, Elite Gourmet Retro Egg Cooker. We have the Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker in a charming retro mint color. This caught my attention not just because of its look, but because it can cook up to 7 eggs perfectly, whether you like them soft, medium, or hard-boiled. If you want hassle-free egg cooking, this is worth a serious look. Here's the thing. You fill a measuring cup with water, pour it into the cooker, press a button, and just wait a few minutes. It's super easy and saves you the trouble of monitoring boiling water. Plus, it's not just an egg cooker. You can also use it as a veggie steamer. With over 5,000 units sold last month alone, people are clearly loving it. Now, some folks have mentioned that it may not be the sturdiest appliance out there. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with it, it serves its purpose wonderfully without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves breakfast or meal prepping but hates the hassle. But skip this one if you need something heavy duty. It's more of a lightweight option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking to add some sound to their cooking experience.
Product number 2, Dosmix Retro Bluetooth Speaker. Let's introduce the Dosmix Retro Bluetooth Speaker, which is not just a speaker, but a cute addition to any retro-themed kitchen. Priced at just $14.99, it's an affordable way to bring some vintage vibes into your space. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, it connects seamlessly to your devices, delivering crystal clear sound within a range of about 32.8 feet. Imagine cooking dinner while your favorite tunes fill the air. Plus, it's compact enough to take anywhere, whether you're having a picnic or just chilling at home. The vintage aesthetic brings a touch of nostalgia that many people love. Some users have reported that the sound can be a bit lacking in bass, but honestly, for its size and price, it's pretty impressive. If you're looking for something to enhance your kitchen ambiance without breaking the bank, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you enjoy music while cooking or need a small speaker for your home office, but skip it if you're an audiophile looking for high-fidelity sound. Now, if the sound quality of the last product bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its culinary focus.
Product number 3, Bella 2-Slice Slim Toaster, which is a stylish addition to any countertop with its blossom color. This toaster is not just pretty, it's designed to fit into compact spaces, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. This toaster has a unique 10-inch long slot that allows you to toast everything from regular bread to thick artisan bagels without any fuss. Plus, it features 6 different shade settings, so you can customize your toast just the way you like it, whether you prefer it lightly toasted or dark and crispy. With over 2,000 sold in the past month, it's clear this is a favorite among consumers. However, some users have found that it can toast unevenly at times. Here's the thing though, if you keep an eye on it and adjust the settings, you can still achieve that perfect slice every time. This is perfect for you if you want a toaster that looks good and performs well in a small space. But skip this one if you often toast multiple slices at once. It's designed for 2 at a time. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you want to heat things up even more, the next product is a must-see.
Product number 4, Nostalgia Retro Microwave Oven. The Nostalgia Retro Microwave Oven in a delightful pink color. Priced at $89.99, this microwave isn't just about style. It also packs a punch with its powerful 700-watt cooking capability. With a 0.7 cubic foot capacity, it's perfect for reheating meals or defrosting your favorites. The rotating glass turntable ensures even cooking, so you don't end up with hot spots in your food. It also has 8 auto-cook programs, which means you can heat your food with just a press of a button. Given that 600 units were sold last month, it's clear that this retro piece is striking a chord. However, some reviewers mentioned that the 0.7 cubic foot size might feel a bit cramped for larger dishes, but I'll be real with you. If you're using it for quick meals or snacks, it's totally sufficient. This is perfect for you if you love the retro aesthetic and need a compact microwave for small kitchens, but skip it if you're cooking for a large family and need something bigger. Now, if that last product wasn't quite your style, the final one on our list might just be the cherry on top.
Product number 5, Nostalgia Retro Wide Toaster. We have the Nostalgia Retro Wide 2-Slice Toaster, a beautiful red option that stands out on any countertop.
At $37.99, it offers a perfect combination of function and flair. With its extra wide slots, you can easily toast bagels, thick slices of bread, and more. It features 5 browning levels, allowing you to customize your toast to just the way you like it. Plus, the lighted controls make it easy to see what you're doing in low light. It's no wonder over 600 units were sold recently. Some users mention that the toaster can take a bit longer to toast than expected. But honestly, if you're patient, it's worth the wait for perfectly done bread. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish toaster that can handle thick breads and bagels. But skip this one if you're looking for a high-speed option and need a toaster that works super quickly. So there you have it. Each of these retro kitchen appliances brings something unique to the table, from the egg cooker to the microwave. Whether you're seeking style, convenience, or a mix of both, these picks are definitely worth considering.
We've covered the Elite Gourmet Egg Cooker, Dosmix Retro Bluetooth Speaker, Bella Slim Toaster, Nostalgia Microwave Oven, and the Nostalgia Wide Toaster. Each of these products brings a special blend of retro charm and functionality. Whether you're cooking eggs, toasting bread, or blasting your favorite tunes, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing finds.